Welcome everybody to this channel of Hanex TV. Today we would like to discuss more about the imaging of the Suleman as the Speaker of National Assembly and also the imaging of the Deputy Speakers of National Assembly, all names that Professor Peter Mutharika proposed as the candidates for the position of Speaker of National Assembly, first Deputy Speaker of National Assembly and the second Deputy Speaker of National Assembly have been successive and they have been voted for those positions. And we would like to see here what is so necessary that a Democratic Progressive Party can say they will be doing in order to make sure that these people which have the leadership position in the speakers positions in National Assembly are going to do so that Malawians can see the benefit from them. I should here speak that if the nation of Malawi is to develop, we must make sure that our leaders have got the knowledge of what people are looking for. You cannot be a good leader without you making sure that what people are in need of, you are providing it. As the country, we need to develop. We need to make sure that we're moving forward. So many Malawians saw the quality of a good leader in Suleman when he was busy speaking for Malawians, while the previous government, was making dubious deals, just wasting money of Malawians through contracts which were just fake contracts to buy fertilizer from the bush, i.e., and also some other things like printing of the national IDs in a very unprofessional way in the warehouse in Lilongwe. That also raised some concerns in the nation of Malawi. So we can here confidently say that Suleman made his career in politics through standing for Malawians, speaking things that other politicians were afraid of speaking. Suleman was making noise, helping Malawians to understand and be in the knowledge of what was going on in the country. That's why even him emerged the winner for the position of the Speaker of National Assembly by amassing a lot of votes more than the one who was competing with him. Though Suleman got 134 votes, while Dimba got 80 votes. So there is a big difference of votes. Suleman won it with majority. And the Malawians, some of Malawians, we are not giving chance to Suleman to become the speaker, to be voted as the Speaker of National Assembly. But now he's been voted, he's the Speaker of National Assembly. Even he's come now when he's doing his position of presiding over the deliberations and meetings in the parliament. You can see he's calm, confident, and professional. He's eloquent, and many Malawians did believe like Suleman is not educated. Some people think like when you have got a degree, a diploma, a PhD, a master's, they think like you are really educated. But education does not only include that, it includes as well how you are able to deal with people in things which really can help people to have understanding and even appreciate what actually you are providing as a law to them. In this case, Suleman was doing a great job helping Malawians to understand what was going on in the country. And he was speaking it while those educated politicians were quite yet knowing what was going behind the scene. So Suleman stood out and made noise, and today we have saved the nation of Malawi from bad deal of buying fertilizer from the bush because of the position that Suleman took of speaking, raising an alarm for Malawians to know what the government was doing dubiously. So I would like you to hear what Suleman said in the parliament and how he was doing his business, his deliberations, as well as presiding over the meetings in the parliament. And also you hear some other people making nomination for Suleman in the parliament as the capable candidate for the position of the speaker. There were also other deputy speakers that have been appointed as the first deputy speaker and the second deputy speaker in the National Assembly. So watch this video up to the end. Until I come at the end to conclude the video, keep on watching my videos.
Extending my sincere appreciation to the President of the Republic of Malawi, His Excellency Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, for having the trust in me and the confidence that I can do this job. I will always be forever grateful to the President.
Clerk of Parliament, COP, and all honorable distinguished members of Parliament, I rise to move a motion on the election of Honorable Samia Suleman, Member of Parliament for Blantyre, Misesa, Club Banana. Before I do that, allow me to commence by extending my heartfelt congratulations to each and every esteemed honorable member of this august House. Your election to this venerable chamber is a testament to your tenacity and profound resilience. This is an achievement that was by no means facile. It is with sincere hope that I wish every member of parliament here every success as you embark on this solemn duty to save our nation. Madam COP, honorable members of parliament, I rise today with the deepest honor and utmost reverence to pay tribute to His Excellency Arthur Peter Mutharika, President of the Republic of Malawi.
Thank you, everybody. This is what I wanted you to watch about the appointment of Suleman as the Speaker of National Assembly. So thank you for being there to watch more of my videos. Your support is greatly appreciated, and I would like to say here as well that I feel supported by you as I see you watch more of my videos. Remember that we are here just to provide information, entertainment, as well as also to have our own views and analysis on the things that are happening in the country of Malawi and the other countries in Africa as well as the world, because we would like to be providing our personal opinions. So you can do likewise by commenting whatever you think like is necessary or what we can do better on this channel so that we can grow and become satisfactory to everybody else watching our videos. So thank you for watching this video. Until I come back with another video, have a very good day. Bye bye.